Durga Puja celebration began in Nartiang village with various rituals performed by the head of Nyamtre, the Doloi, along with his ministers including the Pator, Lingdor, besides the Pujari or the priests and others. The secretary of the Nartiang Puja said that the people of Nartiang believed that Durga Ma is coming from the Mintang river and she has to be welcomed and brought to the temple where she will stay there till the immersion day, that is tomorrow, which is called Sngi Hyar or the Shami. The deity will be taken to Mintang River with the beat of drums and swords performed by religious elders from Yung Blai Mother to Halai Blai, and the deity will be immersed at Mintang River, followed by the release of a dove and a bird locally called Ptit as gift to the Durga Ma.
Puja ni mau senyum ni menunjuk lek yang mau senyum teman Eropa man kecil lek man ja sistem man ragu pol lagi juga pol ke ponji to kani man tok dia terip man ke ponji teman budu ke ponji man pol ke ponji teman dah puja ni ada ni man ini konkret teman bilang di mau senyum bulak jor wan islauba dan ni berkuam yo ini ke yung resem kita buat kat nang kau cái làm cái gì này bây giờ cái mà ngô đem cái là người thật nó năng cái mình khi mình cần bây giờ vẽ cái cái chút cái tôm dùng được xem là không bao giờ nó tháo cái cái mà dùng lại nó lên